Alright guys, today we're looking at how raw bone, bamboo, and wood are transformed into an insanely detailed traditional artwork. Let's go step by step. It all starts with animal bone. They sprinkle edible baking soda to clean it, scrape off anything left, and cut the bone into pieces with a hand saw. Then the craftsman shapes it with a small axe and smooths it using a traditional hand plane. The bone is soaked for months, with the water changed several times to remove fat, soften the material, and naturally whiten it. Next is bamboo. They pick old, sturdy bamboo, cut it, peel the skin, drill holes, and carve clean grooves along the surface. These grooves help connect and support the decorative parts later. Then a detailed design is drawn. Thin bone pieces are shaped and pressed onto the bone sheet. Boxwood is prepared. The patterns are sawed out. The sketch is glued to the wood, and the floral pieces are arranged by hand. And the craftsman carves along the lines. Small pockets are cut out, precise spaces where the inlay will go. They mix tile ash with natural lacquer. This creates a strong traditional filler used to secure the bone pieces in place. The bone inlays are inserted into the carved pockets. The lacquer mixture is applied, and the whole surface is leveled and polished smooth. Next comes the fine carving. Tiny lines and textures that bring the artwork to life. All components are assembled like a precise puzzle. Then, layers of black lacquer are added and polished repeatedly by hand until the surface becomes deep, glossy, and perfectly smooth. And in the end, everything comes together. Bone, bamboo, wood, and lacquer, forming a stunning traditional masterpiece made with patience, precision, and pure craftsmanship.